Starting with the weekly for GJ, it finally came down to a level that actually makes sense for price to reverse from. Yesterday I really didn't like the trade because I mean I looked to the left and it was just all the stuff up here we were just hitting, right? So then of course we broke some lows on the 4 hour. But this is the funny thing though. We broke lows on the 4 hour, but we never actually broke lows. As in if okay, this was the last place that support was created. Now I need two bearish candles to confirm that I am bearish on the 4 hour. That never happened, which is causing me to believe and like want to take a trade today from this level because if I'm putting the fib from point A to this point B and adjusting it to there to here, we just tapped in from a 38.2% area. This level right here can be seen on the 10 hour, the 8 hour, and then you can see here on the 4 hour. But I think there is a lot of great confluence for price to continue bullish from here today. I would just want like a really strong close above this level, right? Because as we can see, we have a little bit more, you know what I mean? So if I could see something that would kind of negate that counter trend, a slight counter trend, then that would be nice. That would be like the main thing I'm looking for. But at the same time, if I get a really nice, strong, bullish engulfing on this 1 hour, there's a chance I might just go ahead and take this trade because again, I was kind of looking to take trades from this level from yesterday. And we had news last night on the Gbp, which is why it spiked down all the way to here. So yeah, I plan on buying GJ today, but I want to see some intense bullish engulfing closes on the 1 hour. That's exactly what I want to see. And for gold, yesterday, we won that trade yesterday. It was based off of, okay, I have a point A. This wasn't deep enough to be 38.2, so I just kept dragging the fib up to this level. All right, price. My first entry was here, got stopped out. My second entry was here, and it was perfectly fine. You see on the 4 hour, the flow was bullish. The fib was, at least 38.2%. I had my demand level right here. It was taken during New York session. And my entry signal was, what was it? What was it? After 9:30. Must have been somewhere around here. Oh, must have been this. Because I saw, okay, this already in and of itself was a double bottom, right? So we came here, rejected, came here again, and rejected again. I couldn't take trades right here because it wasn't 9:30 yet. So I just waited. And when I saw a price like pushing hard around 9:45, I entered in, and then my stop loss was right below here. And my take profit is up there. So that was a nice trade. And I'm looking for something kind of similar on GJ today. And I actually do like using the JPY basket to kind of confirm, hey, does this make sense on this chart as well? Even though I shouldn't, it's not like I take trades on GJ based off of what this is doing. I just kind of use it for like how some people use the dollar index, but every time I try to use Dixie, it doesn't really do anything for me except confuse me. Because, for example, the dollar has been going up hard this entire time, which means that gold should be pushing bearish, but it's not. And that's why I don't use it. Like, it doesn't really make sense for me. So yeah, I'll probably just be looking for GJ buys. But again, I want to see some solid closes that prove to me that we're not still bearish on the 1 hour or the 2 hour or the 3 hour, because right now we are. Right? On the 4 hour, we're fine, but because we're bearish on all those time frames, I kind of want to wait it out just a little bit, just want some, let's see. Yeah, I think breaks. Actually we might be all right because this is already a 38.2 level right here, and we have price starting to break above this, but I want to wait for actual break. I think the earliest I would get in is like 8:30, but then again, it just all depends. I'm really just waiting for price action to close a certain way, which is give me some bullish engulfings. We got news at 8:30, but it's not even for a pair I trade. So yeah, happy trading. Let's see how it goes.